Hi everyone, and welcome back to another section of this course. In this section, we're going to talk about 3D modeling. You may be wondering that how 3D modeling is going to help you in your career as a UI UX designer. So let me explain it to you in a simple term. For you as a UI UX designer, it's good to know a little bit about 3D modeling, because sometimes you want to design a creative landing page or let's say a screen for an application that needs some simple shapes or even some 3D context. So in this section, I'm going to teach you how you can use these techniques in order to create amazing stuff for your design. So you may be familiar with traditional 3D modeling softwares such as Cinema 4D, 3ds Max, etc. However, working with these traditional softwares could be quite daunting for the beginners. So instead of working with those softwares, I'm going to show you another great environment. There is a web application which is called Vectory. It's an amazing and brand new web application that can help you to create amazing 3D stuff in a quick and easy way. So instead of working with some complex tools, I'm going to teach you how you could use Vectory to get the best results possible. So if you head over to vectory.com, as you can see, this is the landing page. There we go. You can see these features. And the good news is, when you finish this section, you can easily create these kind of stuff. And you can put the code on your website, or you can even preview it as an augmented reality model, okay? So the first thing we need to do is to create an account, okay? There are two types of account. The first type is free. So if you go to pricing, you can see we have two types, free and premium. For this course, you can use the free account because we are going to focus on basics only. So make sure to create your account, and in the next video, we will start our first 3D modeling project together. So see you then.